Hey guys, today we're going to show you how to create a file on Linux. Now this can be pretty easy, but there are a bunch of alternate ways you can do it too. So we're going to show you all of these. So let's clear this and cd into our test directory. Alright, so in here, alright, let's just clear this out so we have nothing in there now. Now the easiest way to create a file in Linux is just to use the touch command. Touch test1.txt. And there we go, we've created the file. So that's it, that's how you create a file. And if that file already exists, it's just going to update the last time that it was accessed. So you could also create multiple files in one shot, like A, B, C. Now we now have 3 files, A, B, and C. So you could also echo some, you could create a new file, like you could say echo test and assign that to D. So now you have another file, D, that actually has data in it. Now, if you wanted to append to that rather than echo over it, you could add another test to it, and there you go. Another line is added to the file. If you wanted to wipe it, create a new file. If you want to just create a blank file, basically, you could say echo and just echo over that. And now D is going to be, cat D is going to be blank, or almost blank. It has a new line, it has a new line in the file. If you really want it to be completely empty, you don't use the echo command, you just use the greater than sign. And now D is completely empty. So if you cat it, it doesn't even give you a blank line. So that was another way of doing basically the same thing. Now if you wanted to create a file with multiple lines of text, by default you could do it like this. So let's remove everything in the directory now and create a new file. So we say cat greater than sign test1.txt, and you can say this is my first line, this is line 2, line 3, and hit Control D to finish it. Now let's just verify. There we go, all those lines that we specified up here were now written to test1. Now there's another way to do this where say if you want to just if you don't want to use Control D, you can specify the EOF, and the syntax is going to look like this. Paste this in here, and once it reaches this character sequence EOF, it's gonna stop writing. So anything, it's going to take this whole set of multiple lines and basically write them out to this file. So let's verify it and see what's in that file now. And there we go, 2 lines of text, and it stops after it reaches EOF. That's end of file, and it tells it to stop reading in data. So there you go. That's how you can create a file initialized with a bunch of lines. So hopefully you found this useful, or at least interesting. If nothing else, you might want to give me a thumbs up. You might want to hit that subscribe button also, and hit the little bell icon. Otherwise, YouTube's probably not going to let you know when we come out with a new video. We do have a lot of great stuff coming up, and we've actually, if you want to check our list of videos, we've already put out a lot of pretty interesting things, some more interesting than others. We cover a lot of great stuff, coding, servers, hardware, software, 3D printing, electronics, single board computers, robots, networking, all sorts of great tech related stuff that you're not going to want to miss. So if you want your YouTube feed to be that much more interesting, you're going to want to hit that subscribe button. But more important than any of that stuff, you're going to want to leave a comment down below, especially if you know something that I don't know. Definitely let me know, not just for me, but for the next person who comes along and watches this video and reads the comments. Leave a comment for them also. Any comments, questions, criticisms, whatever you want to say, I probably want to hear it. So do leave a comment down below. And that's pretty much it for today. So as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.